atu he CCN Perry High School akampha Perry High School le Southport High School he Indianapolis si thanglai sanga chon Laimi kan phalate siang na kai biknak high school pani se hi nilinia bolong chuiding an se player pol he kan nawlate Laimi chin milong ten se an ma pani bakhya tong ding an se hi Perry an khopa jong ni atuwa somnak man to lai.
Hi, my name is Coach Maki Magdalenos with Perry Meridian High School boys soccer team. In the past 4 years, the boys soccer team has won 4 sectional championships, and 2 years ago they were actually in the Final Four in the whole state tournament. I'm coming to you today to invite the whole Chin community out to our soccer game on Thursday here at Falcon Stadium, at the football stadium at Perry Meridian High School. It's a $5 admission fee. There's a huge rivalry between Perry Meridian High School and Southport High School, especially with soccer. A large part of the Southport team is from the Chin community, and our team is about 90% Chin. And we would love the whole community to come out. These guys work really hard in the classrooms. They work really hard on the field, and they deserve a lot of support for this game. So if you have some time, please come out and support these guys. Again, it's this Thursday at Falcon Stadium, $5. The game starts at 7:30 is the varsity game, and 6 o'clock is the JV game. We really hope you'll be there. Thank you.